On top of that shit, dead ass.
And then I gotta put on eyelashes. But we are out to. Hey YouTube. Wait, why I'm scrunched up like this? We out to Jamaica. We out to Jamaica. I'm going to try to vlog this whole thing, so we gonna see how this goes. And everything else, like all of my other filming, is gonna go from the back, so we won't be able to see ourselves. We won't be able to see ourselves when I'm filming. Yeah, we're out to Jamaica. So yeah, later. Currently at KFC, and I don't know what I'm gonna order. I heard it's better than the one in the United States, so we're gonna try it out. We are gonna try it out. So yeah, I don't even eat KFC in real life on a regular day. So again, we're gonna see because apparently they're supposed to be seasoned well and better. So I didn't even know what you were saying. All right, so we got the KFC. So I was trying to show y'all because my mic wasn't on. So I got the chicken, 2 pieces of chicken. I got the chicken nuggets and fries. The fries was kind of cold, so I ate like a couple pieces. But so I got the KFC. I'm like so hungry, like I didn't even have time to freaking like say anything. But here's my KFC bowl, and it got like I think it's just chicken nuggets and I think it's coleslaw. I tried the coleslaw. It's an interesting taste, but you know I had to get KFC because I'm in Jamaica. So yeah, and what else was I saying? Cause why? Oh, this is a big ass chicken. Uh, is it interesting? Hold on, let me taste this. A lot of bones. Oh, you're funny. Won't eat real food.
That means what we eat in the U.S. Not it.
Mm. Chicken nuggets are good too. Oh, ASMR. Oh, she caught me. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna eat the rest of the food and maybe give you our room tour after. So, and I'm oily. I look greasy. Whatever. Whatever. Later. Let's definitely tell you about our stay at the Slippers Villa. All right, so that was the kitchen, and now we're gonna go up the stairs. We're gonna go up this. Ooh, I will show y'all this mirror. Okay, don't look at my fit because it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy, but they got a mirror. That's nice. This is cute. All the houses are under construction. Look at the living room. I thought this was so beautiful, but like, okay, this is the hallway here. So nice. But where's the light for the living room? Where is it? Where is it? I guess this. Real high ceilings. And you got the view of the water. So it's like 3 bedrooms in this house. And it's 3 bedrooms in this house. I should have really shown y'all what it looked like from the very beginning until now, but I was tired, so I'll show you what I'll show you what it looks like in the end. I gotta get my light because it's kind of dark. But this is our room. And it's really cute. It's really cute. Like it's got a view of everything. And it's really, really high. Oh my gosh. I love the bathroom. Shower so cute. Real nice. Really, really nice. Oh my gosh. Don't look at this. But this is real cute. Okay. No way I'm gonna enjoy this. And look at the mountains over there. Oh my gosh. I would be happy waking up. You have to be in a good mood waking up every day like this. You gotta be in a good mood. My goodness. This is nice. So, with that being said, let me find my LED light. So, we're about to get ready for where are we going? Pier 1? So, we're about to get ready for Pier 1. And we're about to do our makeup. So, I think that, let's see. Yeah, I gotta pull my makeup out here. I had got my.
Because we both got them done.
No, I'm not talking about our eyebrows done.
Oh.
You ready? Like, no, that's not what I was finna say. I thought it was new.
You're funny.
I thought it was new.
No one at $38.
Brand spanking new. After I ate, I just took a shower. I lounged with my friends. I tried on some clothes for a little while. So thank you. This is like the best pencil in the world. This Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil or eyeliner pencil, whatever it is. Brown, dark brown. You can. Shout out to you, girl. Girl.
It's moved too.
Yeah, do that so yeah, so this eyebrow pencil is really good. I think we're gonna do a time lapse because why not? Yeah. So we'll do a time lapse of us getting ready, and yeah, we're about to get ready to go to Pier 1. It's Pier 1. It's night 1. We're gonna get ready to go to Pier 1, like I said, and it's going to be a vibe. It's going to be a vibe. It's going to be a vibe. We're getting ready. We're pretty much done. I just kind of gotta fix my hair and then I gotta put on eyelashes. But we are out to Pier 1. I need my necklace. Where's my necklace? Oh, yeah, lashes.
So sorry, it's just this. I don't do my lashes too. This just don't got time for that shit. Dead ass. It's a every time thing.
Should I put this on?
Right now?
No, I'm talking about on the way.
You don't have time.
I have no idea.
You don't even know how far it is.
That's what I'm saying. If it's not, then I'll just put it on the next day. I gotta take this with me. Yeah. So we're headed out to Pier 1. Let me untie my hair. And we're out. Oh, I still gotta style this, but
Perfume.
you know the vibes. Perfume is in my bag. Oh.
That's just one fucking shoe.
It's a family channel.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, thank you. I got a family, sweetie.
I'll take it early.
Oh my god. Okay. So, it's a bun.
That's cute. I like it.
Thank you.
Fit look good on you.
Thank you. It's probably gonna unravel, but you know. That's what we got. So, we're running out.
And then I've done so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly,